Hello everyone, nice weather today. My name is youngbeom Kim and my teammates named changsu Ham and unseok Kim. Our team will talk about appropriate technology. At Korean, appropriate technology means 적정기술, and I will talk about that definition later. Why we investigate this appropriate technology? It was because we saw Facebook and find some interesting story about appropriate technology. Our team do search more information to use Google and we can find more information. First, I found people who execute their idea in various ways. The other way also I found suffering of African. Usually, they have no electric installation. African children cannot study at night. They just depend on small candlelight. Also, most Africans live far from city. It means they normally have nowhere. Of course, they do not have water supply plant. They pick their own basket and deliver the water by walk more 15 kilometers. If they cannot gain this way, they dig in the ground a little bit deeply and get muddy water. The best way overcome this problem is to build electricity and water supply plant. However, this way requires too much money and have less efficiency. So, engineer thought appropriate technology. Definition of appropriate technology is the technology which considers the environmental conditions and technology designs to enable the continuous production and consumption. For example, African children play with soccer ball at noon. So engineer thought we have to put in electric at soccer ball, and so it make socket ball. And this is Q2. It can save 75 liter maximum, and it move easily. And the best way of example is Waki water. It can make water at water 100 liter per day of pure water, so it's easy to make water.
Hi, my name is Changsu, second presenter. I am talking about example of appropriate technology. Youngbeom said many problem in Africa. One of serious problem is water shortage. Besides, there are only dirty water. To solve this problem, one design company in Korea designed something. It is Happy Basin. When you float in on dirty water, you can see clean water on the basin. How is this possible? Because there are very small holes under the basin. These holes divide water and impurities. It is called nanofilter. Also, it doesn't sink because of shape of basin. This curved shape makes air layer, so it can float underwater like a tube. It doesn't exist yet, but I think it is very good design to solve a problem. Likewise, there is another invention. It is life straw. When you drink dirty water to use this straw, you can drink ventilated water. Next invention is socket ball. Can you expect the function of this? One day, Harvard students realized many kids of underdeveloped countries like football. They want to help them for energy problem, so they thought socket ball. In brief, it is soccer ball generator. The instructions is very simple. First, play with this ball. While you kick or throw this ball, it makes electronic energy. Second, use it like this. If you play for 30 minutes, it can make light for 3 hours. So it helps children to study in the dark. Finally, I introduce it to protect the environment and health. Almost people of country in Africa use the tree to cook. Therefore, so many trees were fired and disappeared forest. And also smoke from kindling wood gives us respiratory disease. For this problem, MIT made it. It is sugarcane charcoal. It is made with residue of sugarcane. It is called bagasse. If people use this, they will not jog anymore and protect their health because it doesn't make bad smoke. Also, poor people can buy this cheaply. Until now, I introduced many appropriate technology. They all look great and perfect, but they also have limitation and problem. My time is end, so next presenter Unseok will say about this. Thank you.
Following Changsu's presentation, I will introduce about the appropriate technology in KAIST. There is a sound spray by Sang-min Bae, KAIST industrial design professor. It makes the ultrasonic wave that mosquitoes don't like. And its operation mechanism is related with Faraday's law. In butter, there is a magnet, and just by shaking a butter, we can generate the power. Now, I will introduce the limitation of appropriate technology is about applicability and depending on NGO. In the view of applicability, problem is that appropriate technology can't satisfy whole native, only used for several towns. For example, one of Harry's products called Happy BASIN is now only in some towns in North Africa. In the view of dependence on NGO, problem is that engineers concentrate on only inventing, not distributing the products. Only the NGO take parts of distributing. So, if there are one reason that haven't get a touch of them, they can't get a benefit of appropriate technology product. And the distribution system is also a problem. After NGO donate, and usually they do nothing. I mean, NGO should not give them a fish, but make them how to know how to get a fish. One expert of appropriate technology, Paul Polak said, if you can't sell it, don't do it. It means it's enough to invent. We must design the distribution system, make the goods more innovative and penetrating everyone's need. Basically, appropriate technology is not a mainstream of study. We can measure it, or we are scientists having responsibility to make the world better. So we should pay attention to that field. Thank you.